Your home is one of your largest assets. It deserves to be well kept and maintained.
Did you know a water heater accounts for nearly 17% of your home's energy use? Having a clean and regularly maintained water heater can prevent this issue from skyrocketing. There are many benefits to having the Spengler Home Protection Plan. One is, our plumbing professionals always include a water heater flushing to ensure maximum performance.
Allowing you to avoid worry 24/7. Call us today and let us make your day better.